Hey everybody, this is Linda Bartolucci with InkStampandScrap.com, and this is the card that's showing up on my blog today. Just wanted to give you a couple of quick tips. If you're watching this on YouTube, the link to my blog post is in the description below, and on that post you'll see all the dimensions and all the supplies that were used to create this card. The one thing that I want to point out is that even though the card that's shown, which is this one on my blog, is for a little girl, I also took the time when I was making all the pieces for the card to make some extra pieces out of Pool Party and Petal Pink so that I could make more cards. I made a bunch more of these and I left this off. And that way, if the next baby that comes into a friend or family member's life is a boy, I can just add this layer instead and send it right off. So that's a great way when you're making baby cards to be prepared for either or and still get ahead of the game just a little bit. So I hope you like this tip. Please give me a thumbs up if you're watching on YouTube, and as always, have a great day.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the link in the upper left corner. If you'd like to be notified when a new video is posted, be sure to click the bell as well. At the bottom, you'll see 2 more related videos that you might enjoy.